Hi there guys, today I'm going to talk about Asia trading, what I do when Asia actually opens. So the first thing I do when Asia opens is the mark the open, which is over here. Okay, mark it dOpen. That's what you need for the Asia. And now this strategy we can call open drive with VWAP strategy. Asia, what is important about Asia? Like you have all day trending up or trending down. Asia usually do opposite of the move first, let's say 50 minutes or 30 minutes or maybe even more. That's caused by they usually take profit because like last day they were like longing and market is going up all day on New York and London, so they are taking profit and it's causing for the downside. It's rarely they continue move straight up. Okay, so you mark dOpen, so you know the bias of Asia traders if you are trading under or below. Yes, and you watch VWAP. So now we are starting to build volume. Look here, so we are building volume, we are going under VWAP, they are for example taking profit because previous day was big pump, we are continually trading under VWAP. Good, we trade down there, we have low, like we have good volume here. We are placing the low for now, we still don't know if it's low of the session or not, but it's fine. But what you want to see now is claim VWAP, that's your first step you want to see in this strategy. So now we claim the VWAP, very good. We trade and we are like you will be now watching if VWAP is becoming truly the support. Yes, it is becoming the support, so very good. Now if you want, you have two options. Sometimes you have good setup to go long as you claim the VWAP. That's really the best setup when you have some fibs or something like that. 0.382 holding, and the best long for you is also when you claim dOpen as well. Like you claim dOpen, the VWAP rises and it comes to like it comes higher, you are not losing the open anymore and you can continue up. Or you have second options, you are holding the VWAP, and as you claim the open, you can go long. You can go long here as on the claim. When you close the candle as well, it's a bit wider but it's fine. But when you claim the open and you are above VWAP, you can go long because Asia bias is changing for the bulls, right? And you see the big volume, that's also the sign you should really act on it. What is good about this strategy, your stop loss is always defined, always. It is always under the current session low, which was trading under VWAP. So over here, yes, that's the invalidation. You act on you just use good leverage, proper money management leverage. Doesn't have to be big trade, but it can outperform like a lot. Okay, because reward ratio is very high in this strategy. So let's see what happened. Look here, very big pump. You for sure reach your targets. Asia session showed you, right? And we can go session by session. I can show you examples. So it was very nice. Let's go back to another day. Here we are again. You will mark your dOpen, which is over here. dOpen. You just really need to wait first 50 minutes and see what's gonna happen, right? So Asia pushing up, because I think yes we were on a neutral session going sideways, so Asia pushing up. Now it's going under VWAP, okay, under dOpen, so we are losing dOpen, and now we formed low below dOpen and below VWAP. Okay, so Asia low over here. So all you will be watching right now, if you claim back the dOpen and the VWAP, which happened over here. Right now your trade is activated. Okay, you either wait for market structure entry, which could be like this and up, or you can enter straight because your stop loss is very low. We can measure it will be probably 0.70% stop loss. Okay, under the low. Always the best case scenario for you is of course trying to enter already based on market structure with fibs. As we are scalpers, we actually had chance to enter exactly at the lows at 0.5, and it was the swing failure pattern. So you combine all your knowledge with this trade. Swing failure pattern here, you can be very tight. And when this happens, you claim dOpen and VWAP, you can add to your position as well. If you already built position, if you are a better trader and you entered here already, you can add here. Look here what happened. Outperformance from the market. Big volume up here. Look here at the candle, big huge volume. When you see such a huge volume, that's its open drive of Asia, and you take major profit here, 50% plus for sure, because you can now lose the profits. Look here, that's what you call open drive. Let's go to another day. Let's go to another day, so we see multiple examples. Very good. It didn't take much time here, yeah? Sometimes you need to act really quickly. So let's go, mark dOpen, which is over here. dOpen. dOpen marked. Market is playing around, yeah? Now we lost the VWAP. We continue down. Big volume, very big volume formed, and market is forming the low under VWAP. And now your trade is again very simple. You can be aggressive and enter at the lows here or here. As we actually I'm just looking what we had here, if you had a chance to enter or not. Yes, you actually from this low you had very good entry at 0.5. We didn't make swing failure pattern, so it's fine. If you are aggressive, you have entry here. Both entries over here and over here are aggressive. The confirmation for this strategy is always pullback to VWAP and up. Okay, so if you are patient and you want higher chance of success for this trade, you will wait for pullback. 0.5 over here, which is decent pullback for Fips. So trading above dOpen, trading above VWAP, pullback, holding, you are holding the VWAP. That's it, you know, your entry is here, and let's see how the trade played out. Pretty well, right? Because you did swing failure pattern over here, and we know the basic rule of trading for us, we always take profit above swing failure pattern, right? So it's very simple over here. SFP. Very nice. How much was the move? Almost 1% move, and from if you are more aggressive from this confirmation, it will be 1% more. Major take profit above swing failure pattern. That's it, you know. Again, another winning day. Let's go in the past again to see more examples. There is also selling example, yeah. So I'm watching when market get it. Okay, so let's go here. With this strategy, you always have a context in mind, yeah. Where are you, you know, on a bigger time frame as well. Okay, very good. Let's go mark dOpen. Candle here, dOpen over here. dOpen. In this case, you see like open drive is not happening much, is actually selling drive a bit, because since you opened, you immediately fall down. You are not stopping, you are still trading under VWAP. Yeah, look here, big volume down. If you zoom out, it's also there was some for sure some support on this, because volume is never stopping like this. And now we are rejecting VWAP once, twice. So this setup no longer valid, and you are still under dOpen. So you do not have much trade here, but you can actually, your bias is switching to the selling, because you know you are just trading under VWAP and very close under, very close above. You really need to pull Fips and see what's happening over there. You had 0.5 potential to sell. It's also market structure, like look here. Just analyze market, because Asia trading is not hard. It's not hard, you just need, for me, Asia Open is usually the simplest trade. I do not go in so much detail, but right now I'm doing this video for you, so you will know better. Look here, market structure resistance into 0.5, and you are again performing to the downside. and you take profit. You must take profit under the lows, because you can get swing failure patterns which actually happened. It took some minutes, but it happened. Yeah. So in this case, you actually had selling potential. There was no setup like we've shown before. But let's go what happened in the future. All right. So you had, that's why you take profit. Yeah, market can stop you out, but it was profitable trade because you made money over here. It was good move. More than 1%. What you can, that's it, you know. Now you claim dOpen, you are above VWAP, so your strategy will be really looking. Now you can, it's not open drive anymore, but it's still Asia trading with these tools. So you must make a Fibonacci. You are still below dOpen, okay? So you didn't claim dOpen. So yeah, your only option is just now scalping from this 0.5 over here. We just want, you see, again, we are just ranging. dOpen not claimed. My bias until I claim dOpen is just bearish, you know. dOpen is very important. So many traders looking at it, you know. So it was just range trading over here, and not ideal setup we wanted. Let's go for one more example. One more example, because I see these examples more than often than not, so I consider them working so well. So where is here it is, daily open. Here we are, so market is opening. It is not going so far away from VWAP. Very interesting, yeah, because visually we get more. Market actually held just a very aggressive 1 minute Fibonacci. Golden zone holding. You can go long at the golden zone if you want to be very aggressive, or you will wait a bit. We will wait a bit when you go above VWAP, for example here. You also had entry over here. You just want to really trade above VWAP and dOpen. That's your crazy combination you want for. Another entry over here, and now you are trading above. So any entry in this area based on technicals will have stop loss under this low or better under this low, okay, in case you swing failure pattern. Again, very defined stop loss if you measure it. Let's say 0.65%, yeah, stop loss, and let's see what market did. Market now beautifully trading above VWAP. It's outperforming, you know. You look at the volume, big volume. You should be taking profit in this candle already. You know, it was already so much volume here, so probably a lot of stop losses hit. Let's see what happened after. It continued up very nice, so you still keep something on position. Look at the trade. And your bias, the overall context of the market must be in there, because we know Bitcoin was trending up, yeah, past few days. So Asia trades pretty simple. Let's do one more example, and I will seal the video. It's over here. Okay, dOpen. dOpen over here. Even here, you actually got a good scalp. Asia doing same thing I was showing you before. So we lost dOpen on the open. People very low volume, very low, you know. We cannot even consider this significant low. But anyways, as we approach over here, you can be aggressive and actually take the trade over here. So you are claiming dOpen and you are trading above VWAP. Yeah? So entry here or here. Tight stop loss under this low, so you can have very small stop loss in this case. Just let's say 0.35, 0.30. Let's see how much market gave you. 0.52. Alright, so in this trade you actually earn for the stop loss for sure. Doesn't matter if you lost or not. This was not a losing trade. And as we can see, we started below VWAP again. We lost the open, so you are very careful now with longs. And the likelihood of downside is rising. Look here. And we continue down. Okay, so you earned for stop loss, but this trade was not winner as previous trades. And we continue down. Yeah, bias switched so easily. Just always zoom out as well. Yeah, with these trades you just need to be aware of context. That's it, you know, where you can actually stop, because you did look at the swing file pattern over here. You did amazing swing file pattern over there. That's it from me, guys. That's what I do during the Asia. I watch how we open, I watch VWAP, dOpen, and other technicals, and I combine it. But this is strategy which is very, very useful. I wish you good trades, and if you have any questions, just write me. See you in the group, and bye bye.